You have been enjoying all the benefits of your BIBO, and it's now time to change the filter. Don't panic, it's super straightforward and we are here to talk you through it. Your filter needs changing every 6 months to keep your water tasting pure and to keep it free from any nasties. Your BIBO will tell you when you need to change your filter, and if you're on our handy delivery service, you will already have your filter ready for this change. Your BIBO filter pack will contain everything you need to change your filter. For this change, you will need your maxi filter and your filter spanner. Turn the blue shuttle valve to the off position. Dispense a small amount of cold water. This releases the pressure in the BIBO, making the filter much easier to remove. Now remove the black lid of your BIBO. With this removed, you will see the maxi filter cartridge towards the back of your BIBO, with a handle protruding from it. Use the filter spanner provided in your filter pack and turn anti-clockwise until the filter releases. Pull the filter up out of the BIBO and pop it in your recycling. Take your new filter out of its packaging and insert it into the BIBO. Use the filter spanner and push downwards firmly. As you are doing this, turn the filter clockwise to install. It's now time to reset your countdown timer. Press the white menu key once. Press the red cup 5 times to scroll through the menu. Press the white menu key twice to enter your filter change setting. Reset the countdown timer by pressing the white menu key to confirm and save. It should now say 180 days remaining. After 30 seconds, the screen will revert back to the home screen and you can continue enjoying the benefits of drinking pure, filtered water.